In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add to cart button on Wix. We'll start inside the Wix editor, the place where you design and manage your site's pages. Make sure you're working in the standard editor view and that your online store is set up with products, and from there navigate to the page where you want shoppers to be able to add items to their cart. Most people place this button on a product page or a featured products section, but you can add it to any page that makes sense for your customer flow. On the left side of the editor, look for the Add Elements button. This opens a panel of everything you can place on your page. You'll see categories like text, image, and gallery. For a cart button, open the store category to access e-commerce specific elements, or choose the general button category if you want to start with a basic button and connect it. The store category usually includes ready-made, add to cart components that already understand product actions, which can save time. Click and drag your chosen button onto the page. Drop it where it supports the layout and is easy for visitors to find. Above the fold on product pages is a good target. Align it with nearby text and images and use the on-canvas guides to keep spacing consistent with the button selected. Choose Set Link or the option to connect it to a product. In the link settings, pick the specific product you want this button to act on or select from your store list if you have several. Then choose the action labeled Add to Cart. This ensures that when a visitor clicks the button, the product is placed directly into their shopping cart instead of just opening a product page. Now customize the button's design and text so it matches your brand. Update the label to something clear like Add to Cart, adjust colors and typography to fit your site theme, and set hover states for better feedback. Make sure the button is large enough to tap on mobile. Switching to the mobile view in the editor can help you fine-tune sizing and placement without changing the desktop layout. When you're happy with placement, connection, and styling, save your work to keep the changes safe. Finally, publish your website so the new Add to Cart button goes live for your visitors. After publishing, it's a good idea to quickly click through the button on the live site to confirm it adds the correct product to the cart and that the cart opens or updates as expected. And that's it. Your Wix store now has a clear, functional Add to Cart button ready to boost conversions.